Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix stranded inventory issues on Amazon. If you see a message like "You have FBA inventory without active offers" on your Amazon Seller Central homepage, click it. It'll take you directly to the Stranded Inventory page. Stranded inventory refers to FBA products that are physically in Amazon's warehouses, but have issues with their listings. Since these listings are inactive, customers can't see or buy the products, and Amazon expects you to resolve these issues within a certain time. Otherwise, they may return or dispose of the inventory. On the Stranded Inventory page, you'll see a stranded reason and suggested action for each item. Keep in mind, solutions can vary over time. What works today may not work next month. So, as of June 2nd, 2025, here's how you can resolve the most common stranded reasons. Create a new listing or deleted listing. Click the Create Listing button next to the item. If you see a page like this, select Recommended from the left menu. Then click the Amazon Will Ship and Provide Customer Service option. Now choose the correct condition. You cannot change the condition of the item, so make sure to select it correctly. If you're using Bookz Pro, you can find the condition in the SKU. For example, FG stands for FBA Good, so I'll choose Used. Good. For price, enter something low enough to avoid triggering a high pricing error. Your repricer will adjust it later anyway. Let's try $60. Click Save and Finish. If you see a red warning, it means the price was too high. Let's try $30 instead. No error now. Click Save and Finish again, and then select List as FBA. That's how to fix Create a New Listing and Deleted Listing issues. Want to know how to choose the right price? Check the video I linked at the end for pricing strategies. Potential high pricing error. This is one of the most common stranded issues. You can fix it by watching the high pricing error video linked at the end. There's also a low pricing error. For that, just increase the price instead. Note: if you're using a repricer, always make price changes through your repricing tool to avoid conflicts. Listing closed. This simply means the product is hidden from customers but not deleted. To fix it, just click One-Click Relist on the right side. Listing error. This error usually appears for recently sold products. If you check the date of strand, you'll likely see today's date. Here's an example. I'll look up a product in the Manage Orders page. This one was sold 21 minutes ago, which is why the error appeared. So in most cases, you don't need to do anything. Amazon is still processing it. The only time you should take action is when the stranded date is not recent. In that case, click the SKU. Scroll down and click Edit Listing. Then click View Listing on Amazon to open the product page in a new tab. Go back to the Edit page and scroll down. If it asks for package weight and weight unit, go back to the Amazon product page and find that info. It's 2.31 pounds. Enter the value and select pound. Then click Save and Finish. Restricted ASIN. Sometimes Amazon labels products as restricted incorrectly. Let's try one together. Here it says, Fix potential high pricing error. So let's try to list it again. If you can choose a condition and see the Sell This Product button, it means it's not actually restricted. This is a common false alarm. Just treat it like a high pricing error and proceed. If there's anything you can't solve, feel free to contact Amazon Seller Support or the Bookz Pro Support team. We're happy to help if we know the answer. That's the end of this video. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.